So what's up everyone? Today I am going to show you guys how to paint textures in Blender. First of all, I'm going to make a super simple car model. Once you are done modeling, join all the objects. Now, switch to edit mode. Select all the vertex by pressing A. Press U and select Smart UV Project to unwrap the object. What this does is it takes all the faces in your object and puts them in a texture. Now go to texture painting to paint the object. As you can see, the object is purple. That is because it does not have a base texture. Simply put, it does not have anything to color on. To add a base texture, go to the Draw panel and click on New Texture. I'm gonna name it Car. Let's give it a yellow color. You can also add other kinds of textures like normal maps and so on. Select the base color, that is, Car. Now go down here and select a color and a brush to start painting. Okay, so we have our super ugly car model here. To save the texture, select the base color, that is, Car, and then click on Image and save a copy to save it. Let's export the model as well. Now I'm gonna show you guys how you can import it and use it in game engines like Unity. I have an empty scene set up here. Drag the model and the texture onto Unity. You can delete this file. Now, drag the object onto the scene. To apply the texture on the object, select the prefab from the project window and then go to Materials and then click on Extract Materials. Let's save it in the Asset folder for now. Rename the material if you want to. Now, drag the texture on the albedo of the material. Finally, apply the material on the model, and boom, we got it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, dislike if you didn't. Comment down below if you have any problems. And I'll see you guys in the next video.